Hey, welcome back, everybody. The format has changed a bit. Always working with that little picture-in-picture, which I'm never really happy with completely. So, thanks for bearing with me while I learn. And welcome to a new episode. Not episode 101. It's like episode 65 or something like that of season one. About 101st video, if you include those shorts. So yeah, box of extended. So it'll be a quick one. Do want to cover a couple of other things, show you some other cards that we got recently, and do a quick. Yeah. All right. So if you saw the Hobby Box video, you'll see that that one was very fun. I'll probably just put it up on the screen again real quick because that's fun. 4-pack O's. All right. Let's get one ready. Let's get 3 ready. Connor Bedard, Young Gun Canvas. That's what we want to see. Looks like we got a Dazzler in here. Oh yeah, 4 cards. It's been a while, right? Oh, boom! Yes. Yes, I cut 5 cards instead of 4, but that's alright. Ah, blaster box. Love it. You know what, Fantilli? I was gonna say you're gonna go into a 1-touch, but for now. That's good. Sharp. Right on. One of the guys we've been chasing. It's weird that it comes up as the first card. It's a sign. It's a sign that that's the only thing in this whole blaster box. Sean Farrell. Scene red. Pavelski, but that looks like a scene red. Gold, if I'm not mistaken. Rarity. Alright. Four cards. Not 5. Show up first. Oh, no way. Fantilli. And Luke Hughes. Look at these. What? Love that Luke Hughes. I'd love for the dark line. I got for that. Cover there. I'm gonna canvas. Nice suit. Brock Nelson. Connor Zary, which is also great. Great for Calgary. And Jake Peltier. Alright. Guys aren't getting the good seats, but like this is. Final pack. Alright. Young Gun Canvas. Young Gun Canvas. Marchessault. Luke Hughes. Poitras. That's the beehive. Oh, that's just the base. What a great blaster that was. Okay, so first up, we got this Jacob Schaffelberg card. Team Canada, who we mentioned last episode. This sweet card, rookie card. Also got these Ishmael Kone. That's the dude who kicked the ball into the guy's back. That heritage moment for Canada. And I don't have all of them here, but these are the women. We got those 2 like variants. this guy, and this dude. This like holographic one, which is pretty great. So the Wembies are stacking up. Okay. Last but not least, one of my redemptions finally came. That was the OPG puzzle card. I think there's a shot of that in the intro. Like 9 cards, but I was too late to the party because at the beginning there was like an auto and a high gloss. Anyway, let's quickly move on to... And I want to give one to this guy. So this is gemminttools@gmail.com. And I saw this individual had a product. I saw it on Facebook maybe. And it was for centering cards, figuring out the centering of cards. And so I reached out to him and thought that that was a really cool idea, and said that I would really like to buy one off of him and demo it on my YouTube channel here. And instead, he was kind enough to just send me 2 of them. And then also wants to do a promo with charity for his sales. So once we get more information on that, I'll be happy to pass that along. So this is what comes in the kit, right? So you get a kit like this. Here's the second one, right? And it's got this nice little cloth here. This is to keep track of your scores. This is your scores, your little scorecard here. And your instructions are here. So place the card you want to grade in top holder prior to lining it up under the tool. So put the tool and put her down like this. And we want to line it up as closely as possible in all 4 corners. And so you take, a couple of those given lines. I picked this card because it's got a whole bunch of sharp lines on it that I thought are great for comparing. So you compare one side to the other. And the numbers that you come up with, you put them here. And the ones that, for example, if it's like 4 and 3, right? And since it's in bold, that's likely to grade 9 or better. Anyway, we'll do the outside. I mean, what's that on 3? That first thick border. Maybe on 2.5 on that side. Yeah, so maybe it's a little off. Maybe it's not perfectly center. My buddy said that right out looking at it. It was off center. And I thought this would be a really great card to do. And this shows you where the dead center of the card is, of course, and the dead center of the square. Yeah, I'm just looking like at that between the tan and brown border there. Looks like it's on a 4 there. Well, yeah, so it's like 3-4 or 4-3. So it's close. Yeah, it's a little off. I can actually see it now. This border looks a little thicker than this side. So yeah, super handy tool, because it's easy enough to eyeball the the corners, the edges, and the surface. And, I don't have my loop here. I'd show you that because I use a loop normally to look at the surface. But and this is a really great, I'll say, a tool for judging the last part, which is the centering. So stick tap to you. Thanks for coming up with this. I think it's a really, really great invention. And so that's his email address there. It's gemminttools@gmail.com. We'll put it up there on the screen. And so is that enough content? I think it is. Great unboxing. Really, really happy with those hits. Yeah, we'll see you real soon for the next one. We've got a couple of these ones to do, so keep on watching. Keep hitting that F5 refresh. Take care. It's caught in the crossfire.